Good morning. This is Vane. Welcome to the Inner Whisper, a sacred space to slow down, to breathe, and return home to yourself. And today, I invite you to tune in to a frequency softer than the world demands, steadier than the inner critic, deeper than the rush of doing. It is the frequency of listening beneath the noise, to the voice that has been within you all along. You're not behind, you're not lost, you are simply arriving. As you listen today, let your shoulders drop, let your jaw soften, let your breath return to you. You're safe to come home to yourself. And it begins with this moment. There's a voice inside you, not loud, not dramatic, but steady. It doesn't chase you. It doesn't pressure you. It waits. It waits beneath the noise, beneath the shoots, beneath the rolls, beneath the rush. It lives in the quiet, in the stillness, in the place where you finally stop performing and start listening. But we forget, don't we? We lose ourselves in expectations, in timelines, in the voice that says we are not enough yet. Sometimes the loudest voice isn't the truest. The loudest voice might be your inner critic or your anxious mind. But the truest voice, it is soft. It whispers gently. I have been here all along. You don't need to search outside yourself. You don't need to fix yourself. What you need is a moment to pause, a moment to remember. The you before the world asks you to shrink still lives within you. It's not gone. It's not broken. It's waiting for you. And when we pause, when you breathe, when you whisper, I'm ready to return, you rise. Here are a few ways to return to that steady, quiet voice. Notice the noise. When your mind feels crowded with shoots and deadlines, pause and ask, is this my true voice? Or is it just noise? Create silence daily. Even 1 minute of stillness can help the quieter, truer voice rise to the surface. Ask your inner self. Gently place your hand on your heart and ask, what do I need right now? Listen. The answer often comes as a feeling, not words. Practice compassion when you forget. If you lose yourself in the noise again, don't judge. Just return. Every return is a homecoming. Your true voice has never left you. It is always waiting beneath the noise. Now, let's anchor this truth in the body. Breath is the doorway. When we breathe deeply and slowly, we send a signal of safety to our nervous system. The heart rate softens, the muscles release, the mind clears. Breath reminds the body, I'm safe, I'm home. So let's take 3 sacred breaths of light together, each one bringing you closer home. First breath, exhale softly. Let go of the tension you didn't realize you were holding. Inhale deeply through your nose, all the way to your toes. Exhale slowly, coming back to yourself. Second breath. Inhale, welcoming your truth. Exhale, releasing the noise. So, third breath through your nose. Inhale deeply, calming your nervous system. Let each breath tell your body, I'm home. Let this breath be your compass, your rhythm, your return. Remember that you're not behind, you're not broken, and you're not lost. You are here, beneath the noise, beneath the pressure, beneath the expectations. Your true self never left. She or we or them has been waiting for your pause, for your yes, for your breath. So today, return without force, returned without guilt, returned with love. Return to the part of you that knows who you are, to the part of you that has always known. Let this be a day of sacred remembering, a soft return. And if you forget again, that's okay. Just return. I'll meet you here again tomorrow. And every day you choose to remember. Until then, breathe light, walk gently, and trust the whisper within. Ciao.